Hey guys on YouTube, I just would love to help everyone who's doing the 2000 or 99, 2000, even 95 and above Honda Accord. When you have replaced or when you ever get to the leaking gasket that has been leaking from, that solenoid, VTEC solenoid that it's very popular, famous, and the gasket is right there. I just want to show you this tool. You see the tool? It's not a rocket science, but in this case it is a rocket science, because without of this you will have to take the, if I'm not wrong, the, now what's it called? The thermostat housing, and then you would be able to reach those screws which are underneath. As you can see right now, this is a 10 mil and the other side is 11 mil. So when you put that 10 mil, you can easily tighten all of those screws that are so hard to reach and impossible to reach practically with anything else besides this tool. See, right here. And it's already tight. I already did it. I just replaced those gaskets. That's just, I know that I've hated this because I was looking for this wrench and I thought buy it in the United States. Of course, in US you can buy everything. It's just that I was luckily finding it in, guess what? O'Reilly's. There it is. Advertisement, free advertisement. Everybody just go to the set of like, let's get back to that set. It's right here on the ground. The set of 5 wrenches that you can see on that you can use for everything else or anything else is 20 bucks and saving yourself a hassle. There you go, YouTube lovers. I love you too. If somebody helps me with something like that, I would be happy also. Happy holidays.